Today we're going to answer the question on what exactly is the Stinger mobile mixing station.
Hello everyone, I'm Shane with snsautosupply. Today we're going to talk about the Stinger Chemical Mobile Mixing Station. It is a station designed to put your chemicals inside of it, up to 6 fives or gallons, and it is designed to put your mixing tips inside the solution tubes so you can control what your end users are using. So as an example, 5 ounces to a 32, you can put the tip in so it mixes it from the 5-gallon pail, pulls it up, push the button, it mixes it for you, and this helps prevent waste in your detail shop or center, and it helps you control overhead. Some people think if it's 5 ounces, maybe 16 would be better. In a lot of cases, concentrated products need to be diluted way down, and this is a machine that helps you do that and control cost in your dealership. It holds up to 6 5-gallon pails or 6 gallons. You can also change the tubes in the back. For some reason, if you wanted to connect to a drum, rather than go out from the bottom, it just goes to your drum and you drop it in behind the mixing station. There's a lot of shops that sit and move their guys around, so this is a station where, if that's the case, you just unhook the water line, take your chemical with you, hook the water line back up, and boom, you're back in business. You got chemical at your push of a finger. This is how easy it is to hook up the mobile mixing station. You hook your water line to this fitting right here, turn on your water, and you are ready to go. This unit comes with down dispenser hoses for these. It comes with your tips, a metering chart to tell you how to mix things. If you don't know, just call somebody from SNS and we will help you get it set up. The little mixing tips goes in these little meters right here. Depending on what you want to mix it at, your draw tube goes on there, so you basically put your bottle under and push the button and you're ready to go. There are several tubes for each unit, and there are several mixing tips, so you should be basically covered. All right, when you first get this in, you're going to take it off the crate or pallet that it comes in, take all the protective wrapping off that comes over the top of it. You're going to open it up. You're going to figure out which chemicals you're putting online. For an example, bug remover is a 5-to-1. So you're going to open your box up, open up your bag with the different jets in it, and you're going to find a mixture of 5-to-1 or close to it. Put that color tip inside the white suction tube, connect your line to it. Then your other end, you're going to find your tube. You're going to take your round 5-gallon pail, punch out the center hole in the 5-gallon pail, take the top off, slip this through with the weight, and then put your cap back on. So when you get your machine and you have it set up and you're going to start connecting your lines to your pails, you're going to take the line off of the dispenser mixture here, put your tip in there for whatever color that you choose for your dilution ratio. You're going to take this weight that comes in the bag of tips in the hose, put it on the tube, push it down to the bottom so it goes all the way down to the bottom here. Then take this lid off, punch this center out first, take the lid off, plumb the hose through the lid. So in the future, when you run out of that chemical and you're going to get another one, you just take the lid off, switch the pails, and drop this back down in. So you're never disconnecting all this ever again. You only use the lid. I also forgot to mention that this unit comes with a fully lockable compartment, so you can lock your chemicals in so people aren't mixing things when they shouldn't be. And it also comes with locking wheels to position it in place so it doesn't roll around. We're going to head over to a customer shop here in Fargo and see how it looks when it's installed. They've been using it for about 6 months. I'm at a customer shop here in Fargo. This is an older unit where the water line is here on the top corner instead of coming out the back. As you can see, the machine gets used every day. They do have below some of our chemicals that are concentrated to run through the machine. They already have them metered out. Again, they're made so you can just walk up, put your bottle underneath. Fill them up.